Hey y'all, so today I'm about to be installing these Curls Queen clip-ins in my head, and I love their packaging. It was so cute. It came with some little goodies. It had this little brush that I actually use pretty often. It's good at detangling, and this bonnet that I've been wearing ever since I got this. And it also came with some extra clips, in case some like fall out or whatever. And then it came with the actual hair. This is 20-inch curly Jerry curl. Y'all see it. But I dyed the hair jet black because I recently dyed my hair jet black and I wanted the hair to be a match as close as possible. So I just used like some of that. I think it's like dye for natural hair. I just went and got that from the hair store. I used 2 bottles of that, and it covered the clip-ins, and I had some left over too. So maybe you could get away with 1 bottle, but I feel like 2 just to be safe. Then I'm just rinsing that out, making sure that all the dye is out of it. Then I shampooed the hair with this Mael shampoo. I just used whatever shampoo that I saw first, and just shampooing it out thoroughly to make sure that all the dye was out of the hair. Because the worst thing is, like, I got white pillowcases and sheets and stuff, so I don't want dye to like get in on my pillows or like my bonnet or anything like that. Then I went ahead and conditioned with that Miche conditioner. I just was literally choosing any one, and this really helped the hair to bring back moisture. And yeah, I just let it sit on there for maybe like 5 minutes, not that long. I will say that the hair took to the dye really well. Like, nothing really messed up. Like, the curl pattern was still there. Like, these are some nice curls, and they stayed intact throughout the dyeing process. Then finally getting to my hair, this is how I started. My hair is really shrinking up and really dry, so I just braided it down. This is the curl pattern. I mean, not the curl, the braid pattern that I use. Just, braids to the back. I should have done better at braiding it down to make it more flat, but you live and you learn. I just went and I counted the clip-ins that fit around like my head. So I think I started off with 3, then another 3, then a 4 clip, then 5, 5. Then I think it went like 2, 2 at the top. So just trying to make them lay like as flat as possible, given my bad braid down, because it was kind of lumpy in the back. But I did install these again like 2 more times after this, and like my braid pattern is like better, so it lays flatter. So this is how it looked after installing all the clips. I didn't do my leave out or anything yet. And then seeing this, I decided that I wanted to do a braid out, because one, I love doing braid outs on my natural hair. And I also feel like I'll be more comfortable with my hair texture blending. My hair texture blended really well with the hair. Like, as you can see right there, it blends really well. But my hair tends to like shrivel up and like get frizzy. And I would hate for my hair to be like not matching the clip-ins. I feel like they would, but so I just went in with this Miche foam. I love Miche, if y'all couldn't tell already, but that foam is really good. And this hair was like easy to detangle and everything, and the curls were like really beautiful. So I just went in and I braided. I think I had 8 braids in total. I'm not sure. I'm a strong advocate for, if your end's not good, then your braid out is never gonna look good. I know it's a lot of people who fail at braid outs. It's because maybe you can get them ends together. So the most important thing is making sure that your ends are curled, like the curl on there is curling. So that's why I use these rollers. I don't know what size they are, but I just got them from the beauty supply store, and I put them on the ends of my braids because it makes sure that your end has a curl. As you can see here, I detangle my hair. Well, this is not my hair, but I detangle the hair really well, and then I wrap it around the curler. And then what you want to do is do that little twisting motion that I do to make sure that it's like literally like it's glued to the roller, because you want it to be like, you want it to stay without even having to clip the thing on there. So I do that for the rest of my head. I'm pretty sure this is the next day. I'm not 100% sure, but by now the braids were mostly dry. So I'm just taking them out, unwinding, and then being careful when I unbraid so I don't create frizz, because frizz in a braid out is not really it. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I used some oil to make sure that like it wasn't dry and, you know, to reduce frizz, but I didn't show that part. So this is how it turned out. And I also like blue dry some of the braids after I took them out because they weren't completely dry, because I'm impatient. But y'all, look at the girl. Like a braid out is gonna do it every single time. And then I decided to do this half up, half down. I show it like a better one like later in the video. This one is me just putting the hair up. I didn't really place the clips in a way to have like a really, I don't even know the word, like a really like slick half up, half down, but it still turned out cute. So overall, I really like the clip-ins. They have a really nice curl pattern. The hair is soft and it matched really well with my natural hair texture, and with the braid out and like doing a braid out with my leave out, it is like a really good match. Like it's seamless, you can't really tell, especially since I dyed my hair. So this is a few days later. I know I still have the same shirt on, but I put it back on for consistency. So this is me showing you the half up, half down, where I actually place the clip in so that it could be like a slicker half up, half down, and it turned out really cute. So yeah, I really liked this these clip-ins. I really like the packaging, like the whole brand aesthetic is like really cute and wholesome. So yeah, thanks for watching.
Tension between us, just like we